Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to set up Vaillant boiler timer. The mechanical timer has a 24 clock dial and pins or tabs around the edge. Each tab typically represents 15 minutes. Turn the dial clockwise to align the current time with the arrow or indicator on the clock face. Push the tabs inward for the times you want the heating on. Leave the tabs out of when you want the heating off. Switch the selector, which is usually below the dial, to clock mode, and the other options might be on, off, or timer mode. The boiler should now follow the timer settings to turn heating on or off automatically. Just a tip, if your timer is built into the boiler, make sure your room thermostat is also calling for heat, or the timer won't activate the boiler. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.